In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your HelloFresh account on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, if you haven't done already, go to your Play Store and download the HelloFresh app on your phone. So it'll look like this, a green logo called HelloFresh by HelloFresh SE, and it's got over 10 million downloads. Once you've installed and download this app, go ahead and open it. I'll pause this video and get back to you once that has done. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up HelloFresh. And now from here, you want to go on the top right hand corner and click on login. So from here, you've got a couple of different choices. Select your country. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to keep it set to Australia. And then click on continue with Google, or continue with Facebook, or continue with email. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign up using Google. I'm going to click on my account here, Tutorial Wiz, and now that's going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. All right, once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, and click on continue, click on allow. And if you go down to your profile section, you'll see you have been successfully signed up and logged in at the same time. So there you go there.